Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we covered up to pattern number. We covered up to pattern number 29. Now in today's session, we will see pattern number 30. What is this pattern? Sir, I want to print a pattern like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. In the next row, 2, 2, 2, 2 like this. In the next row, 3, 3, 3. In the next row, 4, 4, 4. In the next row, 5, 5, 5. Like this, I want to print. So, since the number of rows I am considering as a 5, that's why we are getting up to 5. If number of rows is equal to 7, we have to generate a loop which is going to print the values from 1 to 7. Which is going to print the values from 1 to 7. Like that we have to write. It is the same like previous program. In the previous program, we printed the value of n. Now, I want to print the row values here, right? You can see this is the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. This is the fourth row. This is the fifth row. In every row, we are getting that corresponding serial. That's why I am printing I, but we can't take I. Suppose if we are trying to take I, what will happen? It is not printing from 1, it is printing from 0 because we know already. So our loop will generate the I value from 0 to 4. Sir, I want 1. Then what we can do? In the place of I, just add 1. When I is equal to 0, it will start printing 1. When I is equal to 1, it will start printing 2. Like that, it is going to print. Let us run this code and check. For input 5, it is generating the values from 1 to 5. So with 5 rows, if I am giving input as a 7 row, we are going to get 7 rows and 7 columns. Up to 7, it will print the data. So a slight change is there when compared with the previous program to this program. I think this program concept is very clear for you people, right? Thank you.